Jai Hind everyone. Today I will start the lecture on intelligent data analysis. This is a topic of big data. My topic is intelligent data analysis. What do you mean by intelligent data analysis? We will understand this by this diagram. First of all, we will take a large data set. In database. After that, we will do pre-processing. In this large data set, we will apply the pre-processing part and then identify some pattern. Or analyze it. First of all, we will have large data set and then apply the pre-processing by using any algorithm or by normalization or scaling, and then analyze it or identify some pattern. This part we will do in first one, this database. Next, come to the information management. What we are doing in information management? By identifying the patterns or trends or relationships. Means we are having some information, right? So this part we are doing trends, relationship or patterns in information management. To manage this information, trends, patterns or relationship, what we will do, we will combine some AI algorithms and machine learning algorithm. Right? The pattern you have identified or the trends or the relationship you have identified, you will combine some technology with these patterns or relationship. Like you will use any AI algorithm or machine learning algorithm to identify the meaningful insight. Right? ये जो आप AI algorithm, ML algorithm वाला part कर रहे हैं, this comes in third one part. Means you are having some meaningful insight after combining some techniques. These are the techniques. So we will see the definition now. Intelligent data analysis refer to advanced methods for analyzing data sets. First of all, what you have done? Analyze the large data set to identify patterns, trends and relationship. What you have identified after this pre-processing, you have identified pattern, trends and relationships. It combines techniques. Like I told you, you can combine AI algorithm or machine algorithm from the fields such as statistics, machine learning, AI to extract the meaningful insight from the raw data. Means आपने identify किया है meaningful insight और किससे identify किया है? From this raw data. First of all, you are having the raw data. Means you are having a large data set and then you are pre-processing this raw data. This is the definition of intelligent data analysis. Next, intelligent data analysis include 3 stages. First of all, preparation of data, because you are having raw data, so you have to clean the data, selection of data or removing irrelevant data. So this part you are doing in preparation of data. Next, come to the data mining. What we will do in data mining? In data mining, we will identify some patterns or relationship in data mining. Means you are extracting some meaningful information after data mining. Third one is the data validation and explanation. Means you will check the accuracy or you will test the data and finally explain it. Means the main goal of IDA is to obtain the knowledge, because you are finally obtaining the knowledge after this complete process, right? This is all about intelligent data analysis. Next, we will see this with an example. ITS, Intelligent Transportation System. This is, we will start from here. Intelligent Transportation System. The best example of intelligent data system is this intelligent transportation system, or you can say the GPS you are having in your mobile phone, right? So first we will understand this from first step. Original ITS data means you are having a intelligent transportation system data, you are having a raw data. After that you are doing the data pre-processing on this large data set. Then you will save the data in data warehouse after extract, transform and load. Means you will do the ETL process and then you will save your data in data warehouse. Means you are doing the pre-processing part where you can do ETL process, or you can do data selection, data cleaning, removing irrelevant data. This comes in data pre-processing. After this data warehouse, now come to the data mining and data analysis. In data mining and analysis, we are identifying or we are extracting some meaningful information or some useful information. For this, we will select the data, integrate the data, various types of data integration, and clean the data. Means we will have only that data which we require for this intelligent transportation system. After this data mining, what we are identifying some patterns. As I told you in the definition, we are identifying some patterns, trends and relationship, right? And we are combining some algorithm with this. Here you can see traffic info data analytics algorithm. Means you can use any AI algorithm or any ML algorithm or etc. Means analytics algorithm you have to use, right? And then combine with the patterns. After combining these technologies with patterns, you will go to the traffic flow model library. Means you will have some kind of decision. When you combine this pattern with these technologies, then you will take some decision. Suppose I am talking about GPS. If there is a green line, it means no traffic. When you open your GPS and you choose some destination, then you want to choose the best route. Means there should not be any traffic. So according to all these process, we can have some decision, right? And in that decision, if there is a green line, it means no traffic, then you will choose this path. But again, there is one more thing, this evaluation and explanation process. After taking this decision, user is predicting or the app is predicting some kind of information. ऐप क्या करती है, कुछ information provide करती है. Like जैसे यही आपको information provide की है इसने आपने कि no traffic if green line है, or it may be a red line means heavy traffic, or it may be a orange line means moving traffic. ठीक है, तो there is some kind of prediction or some information you will have. Again you will take the feedback and then again we'll do the analysis part, because there will not be always a green line on the same path. It will be changed after some time. It means you have to do the model analysis and management again and again. Again you will evaluate, then we'll explain, then we'll take the decision. This means this process goes on. Means again you are having some data and again we'll analysis that data and then take the decision. So it means this goes on in circle process. So this is the example of intelligent transportation system where you can predict some information, like GPS is an example. Next, what are the key features of intelligent data analysis? First feature is pattern recognition. What do you mean by pattern recognition? I told you in the example, after doing the data mining part, we are having some pattern, trends and relationship or anomalies in data sets, and that might be overlooked by the traditional analysis methods. Second is forecasting. Based on the historical data, we are taking some decision, as I told you in the example, and this IDA enables the prediction of future events, which is crucial for the areas such as prediction planning or predictive maintenance. And third one is decision support. Means through IDA, you are having some better decision, because again you will get the feedback. If this feedback is not okay, you will learn something new and then again you will take the better decision, or you will plan some strategy for the next prediction. So this is the decision support. Next is the benefit of IDA. Better decision you can take through the strategies for the future. Competitive advantages, because you are having the trends, patterns, relationship through which you can take some decision for the further planning. It means it will help in competitive advantages. Next, increase efficiency. Suppose there are some inefficiencies which you identify through the intelligent data analysis. Then based on that analysis, you can improve the overall operations and this will increase efficiency. So these are the key features and benefits of intelligent data analysis. Thank you. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box.